Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a desktop shortcut for programs or files you may have on your computer on Windows 10. So it's a little bit different from previous versions of Windows, especially if you're coming from Windows 7 or earlier. So in this brief tutorial I'll be walking you through how to set up a new desktop shortcut. So we're going to start by heading over to our Start button, and we're going to left click on it, and then we're going to left click on All Apps. So this will be a list of all the applications that are installed on our computer. So if you have any folders or any programs within folders, you would still be able to access the subfolders here. So let's say, for example, I want to create an Excel 2016 desktop shortcut. So all you have to do is just left click and hold down on whatever program or file you're trying to move and create a shortcut for, and then just drag it towards the desktop, and then you'll see a little button pop up above it that says link. At that point you can release the pressure off the left mouse key and it'll create a shortcut on the desktop. So you can basically do this for any program within the applications. You had any programs over here under most used, you'd be able to do the same thing with as well. Again, just drag and drop pretty much. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.